Hey folks, I want to go over these UC gear lights that I've been using inside my Kodiak Canvas tent for years, string lights. And I want to just go over the multitude of reasons of why I like them so much. And what I've got here is two different pair to compare. I got one that are their warm lights, if you go on their website, and the other ones are the cold white lights. And there's many reasons why I like these lights so much. And one of them is that it's got power in the middle, and then you can go higher or brighter, and then you can also go dimmer. About 3 to 4 settings on each one of those. It's at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of them that'll go up and down. So I really like that about them. Another thing that I like about them is, like most string lights, they're pretty skinny. So I can put these through either a canvas or these loops. Another thing that I like is they're 32 feet long. So as you can see, this just keeps going on and on. So it gives a lot of light in the tent. So again, thin, so they roll up nice. 5 different dim settings versus brightness settings, and 32 feet long. Okay, here's another test. You can clearly see the differences between these two. The white lights are so much brighter, and the warm lights just give off a little bit better ambiance, is what I would say. Just not quite as hard on the eyes, but of course they're not going to be lit up quite as much. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the warm ones. So there's just the white ones. And then we'll switch it up, and I'll turn off the white ones. You can see the difference. So, boy, it's hard to tell. I actually think I kind of like the white ones more just because they give off better light. But definitely one thing I like about the warm ones in the morning, I put them on as just as dim as they'll go, and that works really nice just to kind of help me get ready and not be blinded by the lights.